What's the easiest embroidery stitch to do? Welcome to Epida Studio. My name is Elizabeth and I help you make beautiful things with quilting, podragi, and embroidery. So defining what is the easiest embroidery stitch to do could be a little bit controversial because people will have different opinions. And to be honest, the easiest stitch is going to be whatever one you do the most practice on. But in my opinion, the easiest stitch to do, and one that's perfect for beginners, is straight stitch. So straight stitch just involves bringing your thread up to the front of your fabric and then taking it down. And there you have it. That's just the stitch. And this can be used in a lot of different ways. It can be used for filling, it can be used for adding shading, and there's no need for any kind of marking or any kind of exact layout for these, but you're just bringing your needle up and down. So that's all there is to it. Seems to me like it's the easiest stitch. But if you think that a different stitch is easier, then drop a comment below and tell me. I would love to hear what you think is the easiest embroidery stitch. For a full tutorial for straight stitch and lots of other embroidery stitches, you can check out my website, epidastudio.com.